Any mention?
Please, Your Lordship, let you mention item number 8. This is a quashing matter. I just want to make one prayer, Your Lordship. If Lordship may allow. There was subsequent development in the case. This quashing was filed at a time when it was where an FR was submitted and reinvestigation was conducted. Now, what had happened now is that the charge sheet had already been filed. I had the knowledge, but I have not received a copy of the charge sheet. So I just pray, Your Lordship may allow if I could bring those, incorporate those facts later by way of an additional affidavit.
Then if you want that order, then wait for the matter to be called. Okay.
So I
If
just
you want simple adjournment, this court may adjourn it today. But then if you want any order to that effect, that you
no. I just asked if 2 weeks may be allowed. I can.
Your
make
Lordship,
this
according to my
because he's also asking time.
asking
So
for
that's
time, Your Lordship, because the conducting counsel for the private respondent number 7,
he's asking for 2 weeks time. All right.
I'm asking for 3 weeks, Your Lordship, due to
Why
medical
3
reasons.
Hmm?
Medical reasons, Your Lordship.
I have no issue. Your Lordship. But that permission, Your Lordship may allow me.
You are there, Mr. Abraham.
This check is conducted.
So you have no say here. Okay, just on the joint request of petitioner and the respondent number 7.
7, Your Lordship.
Please matter after 3 weeks.
I may be allowed to file that. May be allowed to file that affidavit.
Then you wait for the matter to be called then. Wait, this matter will be taken up, then order will pass.
So I'll just wait.
Don't,
Because I need that permission from the court before I. Thank you.
just wait, we'll pass order.
Okay. Lordship.
Your Lordship.
May it please, Your Lordship. I beg to mention item number 4 from the hearing list, Your Lordship. I am for the appellant. I humbly pray for 2 weeks' time, Your Lordship. Please.
We have no objection, Lordship.
This conviction, accused is in custody.
Or, Your
Where
Lordship,
is the accused? He is in custody or
he is in custody.
2 weeks?
2 weeks.
Say on the request of the appellant, this matter after 2 weeks.
All your Lordship.
Please, Lordships. Lordship, I crave your Lordship's indulgence to move a mention memo for listing of a matter tomorrow, my Lord.
What is the urgency?
It's a 482 petition. We are challenging the order, my Lord, whereby the learned Pokso judge at Nongpo has rejected our application filed under section 311 to recall the witness, my Lord, without any finding as to, my Lord, whether the evidence of the witness would be otherwise vital or not.
Okay.
Tomorrow, my Lord. Obliged, Lordship.
May it please Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 9, Your Lordship, on behalf of Ms. N.G. Shilla. She is not available today, Your Lordship.
Since it's not there, my lord, I have no objection, my lord.
When do you want it?
Your Lordship, after 2 weeks?
Indeed, lordship.
All right.
Indeed, lordship.
Just say 2 weeks on the request made of the state respondents.
Obliged, Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
I beg to mention item number 2, Lordship.
Item number 2.
Yes, Lordship. Conducting counsel is out of station, Lordship.
No objection, Your Lordship.
Up to 2 weeks,
I am
Lordship.
appearing for respondent number 4.
Okay. 2 weeks on the request.
I request, Lordship.
Please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 5, Your Lordship. I've taken the concern of the other side, Your Lordship.
I have no objection.
What is the matter about?
This is quashing petition, Your Lordship.
Complaint. Private complaint.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay. 5 urgent after 2 weeks
Yes, Your Lordship.
on the request of the petitioner. Yes.
Be obliged, Your Lordship.
Lord,
Yeah.
I beg to mention item 3, my lord, of the hearing list. Here, my lord, we are stuck with some issues. What had happened, the other side, my lord, the respondents had taken a plea of, raised a plea of alternate remedy, my lord, of appeal. Now, my lord, here apparently, your lordship, the penalty and the damages were imposed under 2 sections. That is 14B and 7Q of the.
One is interest.
One
So
is
we will
interest.
not go by interest. Interest is something automatic.
Correct.
We
No,
will
my
not
lord,
decide the aspect of jurisdiction. So
only
if it
the
is applicable,
appeal.
otherwise it will be applicable.
No, I'm just doing some kind of a, my lord, trying to go through some judgment, my lord, in the issue, just to see if it can help us, because otherwise, my lord,
Why you are wasting time here? File an appeal. We do it.
correct, my lord, but we have already spent considerable time before this
We
honorable
will
court.
direct. They will. They
And
will.
this issue was
Any
never
provision of
raised earlier.
condonation.
Lordship, no, the Act does not say anything as such.
Condonation. So
No.
once it is time barred, no appeal would deny.
Lordship, appeal can be filed against the order. There is the portion is silent. That though there is no condonation also, but there is no such things that within such limit the appeal can be filed.
Then
But,
it's okay.
uh,
There is no
Only thing, my lord,
limitation.
here they raised this issue very lately. Of course, there is no bar on
Right,
raising
but then
the
if
issue.
appeal is still maintained, only if she says that there is no time limit prescribed, then you can go. You can file an appeal.
My lord, as a civic last chance, my lord, may kindly accommodate for today. My lord, we'll just see. We are in the process of, my lord, examining the issue.
No objection, Lordship.
When do you want it?
My lord can have it after vacations,
So after 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
See, 2 weeks on the request of the petitioner. Just see why unnecessary to keep the things.
As a
At least
last,
your relief also will be quicker. See, useless. Say, if your appeal is maintainable, go and file an appeal.
correct. My lord, the only thing is we have spent
Lordship,
considerable
here-
time, and all this while they had, my lord, in fact, given a sort of undertaking before this honorable court to reconcile their calculation. There's an order to that effect also, my lord. So there is an admission partly on their part that yes, there has been some miscalculations also. Can have it after 2 weeks, my lord. We'll try and satisfy your lordship.
Okay.
Obliged.
Daily list, item number 1. Hearing, item number 6.
Yes, Mr. Roy. What is it?
Your Lordship.
I am appearing for the state respondents, Lord, in this matter. The private respondent is there. Private respondent number 2 is the complainant.
Whether private respondent has been served or not.
Yes, it has been served, and
Anyone
the
entered?
appointed counsel was appearing throughout, Your Lordship.
Who was there? Who was the learned counsel?
Just check that.
ML Nampur.
Yes, Your Lordship.
He's not here. We cannot proceed without them. Or it will be proper to wait for them.
It will be proper to wait for the complainant because some allegation is there in the FIR.
But then you were there to take care of that. What is this about? This is a
Your Lordship, this FIR has been an offshoot of a civil dispute where there was an agreement between the parties, and for the violations of that, an FIR has been lodged against the petitioner, Your Lordship. And that same has been, FIR has been, charge sheet has been filed under section 419, cheating by personations. So
This matter, Lordship, is regarding the supply of some materials. The this respondent number 2 has placed the
What is the FIR?
order for the supply. FIR.
What is your instruction, Mr. Harme?
Lordship here, because the allegation is that the
you are saying it's essentially a civil dispute. Do you accept that thing?
Because Lordship here, the allegation of the respondent 2 is that the petitioner, after receiving the money, did not deliver the goods, the items, the materials, Lordship, ordered by respondent 2.
So you have cheated them.
That
You
is
have taken money and
that is the
No, Your
allegation.
Lordship. For the cheating, the inception should be from the beginning, Your Lordship. Where I have ordered the materials asked to take the delivery, whereas the respondent number 2 has refused to take the delivery in respect of lack of go down. And when the FIR was lost, that the goods has been seized by the IO has asked to produce the goods. We have already produced the goods, and that has been seized, Your Lordship.
what is the stage of investigation?
Submitted
evidence-
charge sheet.
Charge sheet.
Submitted charge sheet.
This is here your charge sheet is also under challenge, or only the FIR? The time when
Charge sheet also.
So what is to be done then? Shall we proceed without the private resort number 2 or?
Lordship, let it be adjourned for say 2 weeks. Lordship will let the private respondent also appear, and I'll also get the instruction.
No, same. Okay, just say. Hard, just say. Hard, so and so. The none appears for the respondent number 2. See, on the submission of the parties, list this matter after 2 weeks.
Obliged.
On the request made by the parties, just say. List this matter after 2 weeks.
Obliged.
Tell him, inform him that it will be taken up if you meet.
Yes, yes, Lordship, I'll inform you.
Item number 7.
May it please your Lordship. Lordship, I pray if this matter may be listed at the end of the board, your Lordship, as the lenity is here is unlike your Lordship.
Letters we have in the board. Not take much time also. Oh, Mr. Agarwal is here.
Yes, sir.
Without him, to
You can wait for some more time.
we'll wait. Let him come. Any other matters we open
At the end of the board.
Item number 8.
Please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
As I've already said here, the charge sheet has already been filed. That's the information I have received.
Charge sheet has already been
So,
submitted.
yes, at the time when this petition was filed, it was only against the FIR. Now we want to bring that back by way of an additional affidavit, Your Lordship permits us.
So already you do not have to bring that fact by these things. Anyway, you will be needing a copy of this thing, charge sheet. Just say Learned Counsel the petitioner submits that the charge sheet has been filed in Thura PS case number. Just see from this thing 99(7) so and so under section so and so so and so by the investigating authority before the trial court. Stop. Learned Counsel submits that a copy of the charge sheet. Just say the Learned Counsel submits that petitioner is yet to receive a copy of the charge sheet. And it would be appropriate. If petitioner is allowed to argue this matter after charge sheet, after a copy of the charge sheet is received by him. Prayer allowed list after when?
3 weeks. Yes,
weeks only.
so that additional affidavit to file, Your Lordship.
Prayer allowed list this matter after 3 weeks. The petitioner shall also be at liberty to bring the charge sheet
Oh, yeah.
on record by filing an affidavit.
Highly obliged.
Second call, item number 7.
Oh, again, that is your thing, Mr. So,
May this matter may be listed tomorrow, Your Lordship.
counsel is from outside.
Not tomorrow. If any other day, then the difficulty is not there, but not tomorrow. Not tomorrow may not be possible.
Then if you agree on some other date, then
Any other day, Your Lordship.
any other date. Just tell the date was your convenience, Mr.
My lord, may I just point out one thing? I think Mr. Mojaka would have been pointed out. Well, this matter has not been admitted. Notice was issued. But when it came, both the parties we filed affidavit, then my lord fixed the matter for hearing, final hearing.
It is criminal revision, is it?
Criminal revision.
Not required that in order of
Anyway.
admission.
Lordship.
Now, the trial court is insisting on production of the document, as I have seen from the orders. No stay is there. This is the situation. Now, with that.
That is for him to.
No, I'm just pointing out. Definitely, it is him
That's
to
all
say
right, but
not.
even in spite of that, they are not ready to do.
Lordship, the learned DSJ, he has some important submission to make, Lordship, in this matter. So I pray for some echo.
This is the last matter. You see. The court you cannot keep this court waiting for. You have the urgency, let him come, attend the urgency. Otherwise, no question. We will adjourn it for any other date. And that is what has been submitted. Land Council is ready for any other date.
But
Yes.
I'm not objecting, madam. I don't.
No, you are not.
I'm not
That's all
objecting
right.
to
Just give us convenient date.
Lordship, tomorrow.
High Court.
12th of April. Twelfth of April.
We will go to 12th. Tell him.
11th is holiday. 12th.
We'll go.
और रेडी में चाहिए क्या? 3 को 4 को 5 को मैंने अवेलेबल नहीं होगा. 3 को अवेलेबल. फर्स्ट को अवेलेबल. फर्स्ट को तुम अवेलेबल नहीं है ना.
Give your name. So and so appearing for the petitioner. Submits that Mr. Dr. Mojika is not available. To appear in this case, and makes a prayer for passing of the matter. Passing over the matter to tomorrow. Just say. The Mr. Agarwal Learned Senior Counsel submits that it would not be possible for him to appear and argue the matter tomorrow and prays that some other date may be fixed. You said any other date, isn't it? We'll record that.
It will be on 12th of April because the other matter is fixed on 15th, my lord. So that if the trial court matter is fixed on 15th of.
If it is hard on 12th, before 15th order may not come.
May not come, my lord. That's true, my lord. I know, my lord. This is a matter, my lord.
If it's a question of law, this court will have.
My lord, your lordship has to go.
Let's say the court is not that sharp as you.
No, not a question of even sharp, my lord. My lord. Question is that, my lord, that your lordship has to give time to read, my lord, the entire, because, my lord, I am relying on SP Gupta. I told my lord earlier also. So, my lord has to see whether the court has the power to inspect the documents before deciding the objection of privilege. So, definitely, my lord, it's both my friend Mr. Mojaka will have to make submissions, I have to make submissions, my lord has to apply mind, my lord, and please give the judgment.
In view of the submissions made, this is matter on 12th for hearing.
My lord fixed on 12th.
12th. That will be alright, I think. That is what I wanted.
For me, my lord, it's alright. I do not know about it.
If you have urgency, then you come prepared. You see, like it would happen. If once 3-4 courts are sitting together, You just cannot rely on counsel, and that is why we have groups, you see, together. If you are dependent on one counsel, it becomes difficult. And the senior counsel has come from outside.
He was telling me in the morning that some matters are already in board before Chief Justice, Division Bench probably. So his difficulty, singly he has not been able to manage. Much.